For businesses navigating the complexities of financial management, choosing the right accounting software is a critical decision. Sage Intacct has emerged as a leading cloud-based financial management platform, renowned for its robust features and scalability. However, a key question for any business considering this powerful tool is, how much does Sage Intacct cost? Unfortunately, there isn't a straightforward, one-size-fits-all answer to this question. Sage Intacct employs a subscription-based pricing model that is highly customized to the specific needs and scale of each business. This means the final cost will depend on several factors, making it essential to understand the different components that contribute to the overall investment. Think of it like building a project with various modules and resources. The total cost will depend on the complexity of the project, the number of team members involved, and the specific tools and features you require. Similarly, Sage Intacct's pricing is tailored to your unique financial management requirements. One of the primary factors influencing the cost of Sage Intacct is the modules you select. Sage Intacct offers a comprehensive suite of modules covering various aspects of financial management, including core financials, general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash management. These are typically the foundational modules for most businesses. Advanced functionality, multi-currency management, multi-entity consolidation, revenue recognition, project accounting, inventory management, fixed assets. These modules cater to more complex business needs. Reporting and analytics, robust reporting tools and dashboards for gaining insights into financial performance. The more modules your business requires, the higher the overall subscription cost will be. It's crucial to carefully assess your current and future financial management needs to select the modules that are most relevant to your operations. Choosing unnecessary modules will inflate the cost, while missing essential ones can hinder your ability to effectively manage your finances. Another significant factor determining the cost is the number of users. Sage Intacct's pricing structure typically includes a base subscription fee plus per user fees. The more individuals within your organization who need access to the system, the higher the per user cost will be. It's important to consider all employees who will actively use the software, including accounting staff, project managers who need to track project financials, and executives who require access to financial reports. Furthermore, the level of customization and integration can also impact the overall cost. Sage Intacct is known for its open API, allowing for seamless integration with other business systems such as CRM, ERP, and payroll software. While these integrations can significantly enhance efficiency, complex integrations or the need for custom development may incur additional costs. Similarly, if your business requires significant customization of the platform to align with unique workflows or reporting needs, this can also influence the final price. Beyond the core subscription fees, it's also important to consider potential implementation costs. Implementing a new financial management system is a significant undertaking that often involves data migration, system configuration, and user training. Sage Intacct typically works with implementation partners who specialize in deploying the software. The cost of implementation will vary depending on the complexity of your requirements, the amount of data to be migrated, and the level of training needed for your team. It's crucial to factor in these implementation costs when budgeting for Sage Intacct. Finally, support and maintenance are usually included in the subscription fee. However, different support tiers might be available, with varying levels of service and response times. Understanding what is included in the standard support package and whether you might need a higher tier for your business needs is an important consideration. Given the variable nature of Sage Intacct's pricing, the best way to get an accurate estimate is to contact Sage Intacct directly or reach out to one of their authorized partners. They will typically conduct a thorough assessment of your business requirements, including the necessary modules, the number of users, and any specific customization or integration needs. Based on this assessment, they will provide you with a tailored quote.